Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about upgrading your car's infotainment system with Android Auto. This upgrade is basically for the older models having manufacturing year of 2015 or 16 or maybe released in early 2017. But before we go ahead, let me clear one thing that this is not any official upgrade from Maruti. So try this at your own risk because this may or may not work with your systems. But so far the result is positive and no one ever complained about it. If in case anything goes wrong, you can always revert to previous version in the same way as you installed the latest one. I will leave the links of both the versions in the description of the video. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we would require a clean pen drive. So let's format it first so that nothing remains in it. After it is done, download the zip file which says latest 1750.2 from the URL in the description. The downloaded file will look like this. Now extract it. Once this is done, open this folder and now copy all these extracted files to the pen drive. One thing to keep in mind here is we need to copy all the extracted files to the root directory of the pen drive. That means that when you open the pen drive from my computer, place all the files right there. Once this is done, safely remove the pen drive and let's go to the car. Now insert the pen drive to the USB port of the car. Now press the ignition switch once and wait for the system to start. It will automatically detect the pen drive and start the installation within a minute or so. Now the installation process has started. During this process your screen may fluctuate many times. It will turn on, turn off. So don't panic and let the process continue. One thing to notice here is my current version is appearing as 0. I'm not sure why, but in your case your current version may appear here. Let's wait for the process to complete. The idle scenario may take 20 to 25 minutes. Now after reaching to 81%, my system gets restarted automatically and the whole process started again from 0. But as I said earlier, don't panic and let the system do whatever it is doing. And let's wait again for the process to complete. Now the installation has been completed successfully. As we can see that the status is showing update successful. Just in case if your status is showing as failed, just remove the pen drive and reinitiate the process. I'm sure it will be successful in the second attempt. Now it's saying to remove the USB stick. So let's remove the USB. Now wait till system is shutting down counter reaches to 0. After this, the system will restart 1 or 2 times. After restart, if you feel like the system is not coming up, then press the power button. Now that system has started, you can use the Android Auto by connecting your phone through USB cable. Here I would recommend to use the cable provided with the phone because sometimes the system doesn't recognize the third-party cables. Before connecting your phone to the system, you should also have the Android Auto app in your mobile. Download it from the Play Store. Soon I'll be making detailed video on Android Auto. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.